manje usangena wena.
What's wrong with you, man?
Osubheka. Uyahlanya wena, uyahlanya. Kuneyintonga yabo ukuthi azange ageze nokugeza nokuchamo.
How?
Akwazi nokubali.
How?
Ngithe stop leaning on me. Stop leaning on me, baba. Ngiyoqimuza manje. Ngiyoqimuza manje bosemotweni. Ngiyoqimuza ngiyakutshela ufaka impama manje ngiqimuza. Ngiyakutshela, ngiyaqimuza. Phinda futhi. Phinda. Ngokwenza umzekelo ngiyokuzifuna ukushila ngamasindi. Shaya ikhipha manje. Ngokushila ngamasindi uzufeyithe. Ukushila ngiyokuzipha manje singakahamba ngesideni. Singakahamba ngekudeni baba. I'll zip him now. Lama grapes unayo ayoshintsha bema peanut ngiyakutshela. Ngicela peanut.
Bro.
Masenda akho yoshwaphala bengaka peanut. Try that.
Abantwana bakho bazibheka lokukhuluma kwabo.
Bro.
Ngoba ngafuna ukubona abantu besithulele ubone ngathi sisize.
It has stop leaning on me. Stop leaning on me.
Khathi ngikuyenzeni wena mama wena? Hayi
Ngiyokshaya. Ufaka ipama. You're not doing me a favor.
Otherwise,
you're fucking power. You're uqimuza.
Otherwise, singazoyehla.
Hlika manje. You don't threaten me like that. Yes, I am. You don't Hlika, neither of us has paid so far. Neither of us has paid so far. So we don't owe him. We are not passengers. Let's finish it off there. You don't think you have the right to hit me. You don't have the right to tell me.
Can somebody stop? Can we stop?
Please. You don't have that right. You do not have that right.
No,
you don't.
You must come this side.
You don't have that right. Fucking bitch. We are but you want a bitch.
Open them.
Damn it.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Ngihlala ngiva ukuthi bathi kunabo makela bathi ingqalamba yabona lena ingqalamba straight, and uvela ufisa kubona abantu abakhe, uvela ufisa kubona alikhaya laphuma kulo, ufisa kubona indodzi yakhe. Laba ngilabafati ke bokudonsa amadodza ngetimpumulo, ngilabafati laba labo ukuthi amadodza indodza uzayiwashise ngisho ipaint, because what the hell is this? What kind of a behavior is this? Kesana day round. Ngithe ngiyibukela le video ongasala ngishaqekile ngibamba ngaphansi ngimangele ukuthi kanti bantu banjani la ngaphandle. Nangokuthi lo taxi driver njena he was just quiet, akakhulumanga lutho, akazamanga ngisho kuyilamo lendzaba. Utithulele nje driver webantu ngathi kumbakekho. Lokwento balabani lapha enkundleni uqhumana bamangala ukuthi kanti udriver uthuleleni, why angaphenduli, why angakhulumi something. Makelo njani lo na kuphela make siyambona sovula sivalo uthi abaphumela ngaphandle atomshaya mina into okushaya. Uyayibona guys ingcalamba. Uyayibona ingcalamba guys lelawula ngisho indodzi yayi ekhaya makuthi unayo indodza, because indodza lenjani lengavuma ukuhlala nomfati lo. So yo, hayi guys ngishaqekile ngale video. It doesn't matter ukuthi bhuti siyamuva makakhuluma ukuthi he's not a South African. It really doesn't matter at this point. It doesn't matter. But ndlela lo make ndangakhona cha akakhombisi njena kuzotha, akakhombisi kuba kumake lo nenhlonipho. Hipo Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'm signing out. Goodbye.